Tonight our dinner is salmon, grilled salmon sushi, mixed rice. So I defrost my beautiful salmon. I like fatty part. Put press onto my roaster. So what we need? Sushi vinegar, and we need spinach and mixing bowl. It's a big mixing bowl. We just cook 2 cups of the rice, and this is a oba shiso, Japanese basil. But you can use instead of the Italian basil. I love that. It's really kind of good flavor. This is different type of the flavor. I wanna just slice, kind of thin slice. So this one we can add final because I wanna keep the green beautifully. So I'm gonna wait for the fish sushi rice first. Bringing the rice just cooked. For 2 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the vinegar is vaporizing and making, shiny rice. You never do this, okay? Cut. We do pan like this. I think I usually ask my husband to pan. This is what we're gonna make sushi rice. Of course, sushi restaurant, they are making their own sushi vinegar. Complicated stuff, but we can buy at the grocery store. Ralph's, Bonds, Sprout, Whole Foods, everybody carry this sushi vinegar. So why not? We can skip complicated process, right? Ta-da! Salmon is done. Oh my god, looks so good. So yummy. I like to using the skin too. Skin is really crispy, good taste. I'm just using my rice things. There's no bone. I put in the rice. No bone part. Use your finger. Don't hesitate. This is actually salmon color, which is really oily and yummy. Yummiest part in the fish. Used to be, they throw away because nobody eat that. So then those days, they sell in the sushi restaurant, salmon kama or hamachi kama, yellowtail kama, no bone. And again, we wanna mix. And this time with spinach. I wanna put the lots of spinach. I wanna eat with the salad as a salad. I'm gonna put the sesame. I would say 1/3 cup. You can use black. You can use white. I like black though, but I don't have so much black this time. Shiso oba, half of them put inside right now. And 1/3 or another half is for the later cutting with edge. And the salmon is pretty oily. I recommend some fatty part like salmon belly or salmon kama. It's good omega things, good for your brain, good for your fur, especially if you are a dog. You're not dog, I know. It's done. You can add a little bit more shiso, oba. And if you want to make some decoration, so always decoration is great. So then like a tomato. Some slice of the radish. Oh, well, that's so beautiful, isn't it? Here you are. Grilled salmon sushi rice. Bon appetit! You can serve. Oh my god, does it look great? Thank you. That's it for me?
Mm-hmm.